So let's go ahead and set up a campaign here on Teespring. So let's just press on the Get Started button here. Alright, so here is your template that you're working with, and you could select the style and the quality. So if you want a long sleeve, if you want a hoodie, but for now let's just do a basic tee. That's the most popular right now. And here you would just add the text, and if you look here you could also add or upload art. So just click on that and you could browse their art library and choose a section, for example food and drink. You could do that, and you could also upload your own. And so this is great if you know how to use Photoshop, and actually I highly recommend you use Photoshop to make yours more unique. I believe Photoshop has a deal right now where you only pay $10 a month. But anyways, let's just add some text here. It says here, enter text below. First of all, let's change the color of the shirts. The most popular shirts I've seen right now are black. Black shirts usually sell pretty well. And down here you can see the base cost. So the cost per shirt is around $8. So anything above that is profit for you. So you enter the text. Let's see here. Let's just say awesome. And let's just change the text color. Okay. And you could just move that anywhere down here. And as for the art here, we could change the color of that to white, since this is a black shirt. Okay, you could add an outline if you like. Alright, and if you're happy with this, you would just go to next step. And here you could set your minimum number of shirts that need to be sold before they're printed. Right now it's 50, but let's just set it to 10. Oh, by the way, here it also shows your estimated profit if you were to sell 50 shirts. So, but let's just for this example, let's just move it down to 10 or even 20. That's what a lot of people are doing right now, is just setting it to 10 or 20 shirts. So your profit would be around $160 if you sold just 20 shirts. And here you could select options for the customer. So for example, for the woman, you could do that, and they'll have this option. So if a lady wants to buy the shirt, they have an option to buy a lady shirt. Now you could also set the price here. Good price is $19 or $20. So you have a profit, say 10. Let's just keep that consistent there. And then next step. Okay, and so this is where you would type in your title, a brief description of the shirts and the idea behind it. And this is where you choose a campaign length. So it could be anywhere from 3 days to 21 days. A lot of people just do 7 days. And then the URL. Okay, so this is where people will go to view this campaign. So we could just, for this example, just type in awesome test. And then the TOS, and then click here to launch your campaign.